Hi, it's Lorena Castro. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys a really nice hairstyle ready for Christmas. As you guys can see, I have prepared the hair already with soft beach waves. And the best way to open them is with our hands to look more natural. I have chosen this hairspray because it's soft and my hair is still clean and shiny. So I'm just gonna put a little bit everywhere. And then I'm gonna use this comb after. I'm gonna section the hair into a ponytail and I'm gonna take some strands down just to look a little bit cooler. Okay. So with this comb, I'm gonna help just to bring the hair all the way to the back, just to look a little bit more clean and not have no desired bands. Great. Just make sure it looks nice. Put the hair all backwards. Yep. And with the elastic band, as you will see, guys, I'm gonna turn, twist once. Another time, and then now I'm gonna twist one time, just leaving the hair down. As you can see, half band the hair down. Great. Okay, so now what we will do, we will open the band in the middle just like that. Yep, just like that. And we will grab the hair from the band and we'll bring it all the way to the top, going in the middle of the band. Yep, like this. And then we will make a little hole and we will bring the hair down to the elastic band, all the way down to. Yep, you can see the hair comes all the way down, going through the middle of the bow. Yep, make sure it's no knots. Great. Make sure it's quite tight, otherwise it will be a little bit loose and it won't last as long as we want. Okay, can you see, guys, how nice it looks now? Okay, now it looks a little bit fluffy, but we will use some bobby pins just to make sure it stays nice and flat. Yep, bobby pins. So we will put the bobby pin from the bow to the hair, making sure the bow is a little bit more flat and less bulky. And make sure the hair coming down the bow, it face down as well. Okay. Sometimes probably we need more than one bobby pin, so yeah, just put as much bobby pins as you want. Just making sure it looks nice and flat. Yeah. You can pull the hair down so it will be a little bit tighter. Okay, so that will be it. Nice bow with nice beach waves. Yeah, you can comb it through just to be a little bit more natural. And voila! Christmas band ready! Yay! So nice. I hope you like it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.